Nirbhaya's gang rape then has awakened the entire nation, but the fight for her family continues, with the juvenile accused in this case getting away with just 3 years in a reform home. Now Nirbhaya's parents have taken their fight to the Supreme Court. They are seeking a criminal trial for the juvenile, and the clamour for revisiting the Juvenile Justice Act is only growing louder.
8 months after the horrific Nirbhaya gang rape, punishment was announced in August for the most brutal of the offenders. 3 years in a reformatory home, all because he was tried as a juvenile offender. Many believe the juvenile got away because from luring Nirbhaya and her friend into the bus to instigating 5 others to commit the crime, to his absolute inhumanity, the juvenile was the most brutal.
The idea of law basically, fundamentally, is that people should get a sense of justice. And if people do not get a sense of justice by implementation of law, then we need to revisit the laws again. I really think that children grow up at an earlier age now. What you were at 16, a child is now probably there at 14. So therefore, it is time that we revisit the laws.
That call for revisiting the Juvenile Justice Act, which gives immunity to juvenile offenders under the age of 18 years, was among the demands when the street of Delhi erupted in anger last December. A year later, questions are being raised over the inadequacy of the Juvenile Justice Act to deal with the heinous crime. Even parents of the Braveheart who died 2 weeks after the assault believed that the age of a juvenile criminal should not protect him from prosecution under the Indian Penal Code.
अगर हमारे कानून में ये प्रावधान नहीं है कि नाबालिग कुछ भी करेगा उसको सजा यही मिलेगी, तो हम तो कोर्ट से न्याय से ये रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि ऐसे मामलों को कानून अलग से बनाया जाए और बजाय उनका उम्र के उनकी क्राइम देखकर उनको सजा दी जाए.
Well, this juvenile used his birth certificate to prevent trial as an adult. Had he been in the US, the UK or France, the gravity of his offence would have taken him to a criminal court.
उसके एक आधार पर उसको नाबालिग घोषित करके और उसको बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया गया है. लोग कहते हैं कि उसको सजा मिले. क्या सजा मिले? सुधार गृह में सजा होती है वो. इसका समाधान नहीं हो, कानून नहीं बदलेगा, तब तक न ये परिवार बैठेगा चुपचाप और न ही ये समाज बैठ पाएगा.
Considering the horrific nature of the Nirbhaya case, the punishment handed to the juvenile rapist has exposed the shortcomings of the Juvenile Justice Act. And now serious questions are being raised to plug the gaps that let juvenile criminals get away. Bureau Report, Times Now.